understanding how much tax you'll actually pay from your side hustle can be confusing, especially if you've never done it before. When you're employed, life is simple. Your employer runs everything through PAYE. They deduct the right amount of income tax and Class 1 national insurance before your wages ever hit your bank account. So really, you barely have to think about it. But freelance earnings, things like design work, tutoring, photography, gigs, whatever your side hustle may be, sit completely outside PAYE. That money is untaxed when it lands in your account. And that means HMRC expects you to tell them about it and pay the correct tax. This means you'll need to register for self-assessment with HMRC as soon as you'll know you'll be earning more than £1,000 in a tax year from self-employment. Each year, you'll then file a self-assessment tax return showing how much you've made and what you've spent to earn it. HMRC then works out your bill, which will include income tax on your freelance profits, income minus expenses, Class 4 national insurance on those profits, and if you want to protect your state pension record, small Class 2 NI contributions, but these are usually voluntary if your profit is above a certain threshold. HMRC doesn't tax your job and freelancing separately, they add everything together, and that's your salary plus your freelance profit to find your total taxable income. If that pushes you into higher tax bands, part of your freelance income will be taxed at the higher rate. Your employer has already sent tax for your salary to HMRC, so when you submit your self-assessment, you simply report what you've earned and how much tax you've already paid. HMRC then calculates the extra you owe. The best way to explain how this system works is through an example so you can see the breakdown. So let's imagine you earn the following: £35,000 a year from your day job, and that's taxed through PAYE. £20,000 profit from your freelancing as a graphic designer. Your total income is £55,000. Your personal allowance is the first £12,570 of your combined income, which is tax-free. This makes your taxable income now £42,430. The basic rate is 20%, so you pay 20% on the next £37,700. Now 20% of that is £7,540. You then have the higher rate, which is 40%. Anything above £37,700 is taxed at 40%, and in this case that's £4,730, which leaves £1,892. The total income tax on your combined income is then roughly £9,432. The good news is that you're only taxed on profit, not total freelance income. So if you spent £3,000 on equipment, software and travel to clients, your taxable profit might drop from £20,000 to £17,000. That usefully reduces both income tax and national insurance. All this number stuff can get confusing, but the more you're familiar with it, the easier it gets. Trust me. If you found this breakdown helpful, you'll love the rest of our tax explainers. Each one walks you through the numbers step by step, just like we did here, so you can get a better understanding of where your money is actually going.